I'm Meghna.
Hi, I'm Vaishnavi.
We are here to discuss some basic cybersecurity best practices. So, are you worried about your online safety?
You should be.
There are all sort of scams and threats out there waiting to victimize people.
But don't worry. With a little knowledge and common sense precaution, you can all stay safe online.
Here are some basic tips to stay safe online.
First, create long and unique passwords. You can use strong passwords of at least 12 characters long. You can also include numbers, symbols, and letters in the password.
Use extra layers of security. Set up multi-factor authentication for online accounts. Use biometrics. Use security keys.
Click wisely. Do not click on links in emails, text, post, or even on online ads.
Report phishing attempts. Do not click on links in the phishing emails, even the unsubscribe links. When at office, report phishing to the IT department or the security department immediately.
Use a secure Wi-Fi network. Limit the use of public Wi-Fi. When using public Wi-Fi, avoid using of logging into emails, phones, or bank accounts.
Back up your data. Make multiple copies of your data, at least 3 copies. Store your data in the cloud.
Don't forget to check your settings. Check your settings every time when you sign up for a new account. Download an app or get a new device.
Think before you post. Use social media carefully. Consider what a post reveals, who might see it, and how people would be affected by the information. We strongly believe that following these practices, you can stay safe online. So do follow these practices and
stay cyber fit.
Thank you.